Hi everyone and welcome back. I watched a family of Egyptian goose or geese the other day, and this is what I saw. After a lot of discussing and planning, mom and dad decide to take their babies out for a swim and for a bite. Dad heads off to test the waters, followed by his 6 babies, the 6 goslings. And mom. Under the watchful eye of mom and dad, the 6 goslings feel safe and swim close together. When dad feels that everything is safe on the water, he takes off to check the surroundings on the other side of the river. Mom, in the meantime, takes her babies to a small island and waits for Daddy Goose's call. Daddy Goose flies across and calls Mom to bring her babies to the other side of the river. Mom takes her babies across. Where Daddy Goose is waiting impatiently for them. Once they land, it's time for a bite. with his family busy eating, Daddy Goose dries his feathers and basks in the sun. After a day of sun, fun and food, it's time to go home. Hope you like this video. Take care and bye-bye.